Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport in black clear coat. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7616A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.